You have learned the effect of using blocking and non-blocking assignments in the always block. These are same of all procedural block in Verilog and Systemverilog. Here are some guidelines to use them correctly in order to write stable design and testbench programs. When modeling sequential logic, use the non-blocking assignments. Also use non-blocking assignments when modeling latches. When modeling combinational logic with an always block, use blocking assignments. If in case you wanted to modeling both sequential and combinational logic within the same always block, then use non-blocking assignments. Also, do not make assignments to the same variable from more than one always block. And the most important rule is, you should never use blocking and non-blocking assignments within the same always block. The compiler will not warn or give error if you do not follow these rules, but always stick to these even if you are writing testbench code, in order to generate stable outputs and eliminate race conditions in simulation.